Oh, hi there. Hi.
Bananas.
Oh, you're so cute. Yeah.
Hey everyone, Jordan here. Happy 4th of July. Yeah, I'm just over at this house here. And here with this guy who's gonna be lighting up fireworks. Yay! Oh god. Woo!
Sorry, neighbor.
Yeah. I can't even catch it on camera.
Oh, no. I got that one back.
Yay! Light it on fire! 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 Ooh!
That was a little bit loud.
Yeah! Ooh.
That blew quite a hole in there. Kind of smoky.
It didn't even damage the casing really.
Yeah.
Wait, let's blow the side out.
Ooh.
I love the small fireworks burning.
Fireworks. Fire, fire. Fire. Fire.
Jiggle, jiggle, jiggle.
There's more tension in this than Taylor's bra strap. Jiggle, jiggle.
Jiggly pop. Kill those weeds. Kill them with fire.
And explosives, my specialty.
Pyromaniac! Wrap it up, wrap it up. Let's go!
Hopefully this works the way I want it to.
Oh god. Woo! Something blew.
Yeah, actually I tore that pretty good.
Damn.
Shredded!
Hashtag shredded.
I'm pretty impressed with that actually. Ah, cicada skin.
What?
Cicada skin.
Yay!
Ooh. Hello.
I mean, listen to those bastards later.
Yeah.
Okay.
Little cicada. Ooh.
Parachute. Oh. Chicken. Oh.
Yay! Success!
That would have been terrible. Sorry.
Pew! He has the parachute!
Parachute man.
Yay!
That's not a man at all. That's a tube.
Parachute man. What is this?
I was expecting an army figure.
Yeah!
Is it
Womp
inside
womp.
of it?
Inside there, maybe? I don't see anything.
Maybe he blew it
He
up.
got ripped.
I wanted an army figure.
Eh.
It's on the picture, right?
No.
On the front. Oh. I thought I said something about having a parachute guy in there.
No, this one's just the parachute.
Aw, sad. I was really looking forward to like putting the army figure on the
Whee!
shelf.
Little doggies. Big doggy.
She bonds with the shoulder
Skankles.
like a cat parrot pirate thing.
Meow meow meow.
Yeah. Hi.
Hi.
What's up?
Meow.
Focus on that.
Hi, Skankle. Get that close-up shot.
That money shot.
Yeah. Work it, girl. Work it.
To each their own.
Boom.
I saw that one coming.
Yep. Ah, smoky. Smoking! Holy shit.
Those are fun.
Oh, that is so pretty.
Pretty light.
Oh. Oh man.
Yeah, I'll keep it that kind of low.
Yeah.
Barbecue. Fuck yeah. Yeah. Blowing up a piece of it to celebrate the day. Yeah, barbecue. Fuck yeah. Blowing up all this shit. That's how you know you live in America.
Oh, damn it.
I only work 6 hours.
Yeah, but then I work
I think I only work 8 hours.
Yeah, I have to work Saturday.
Yeah.
Comp day.
Watch your eyes.
Yeah, what's that? What's your eyes there?
Cover
Because
your
that first
face
one always
hole.
has to clear the tube.
Yep.
Matt, you get the big one.
After this one. What? After this. Something about taking a big one. I'm just like, yeah.
Let me see that big thing.
That's not where they are.
Oh, yeah.
I didn't see
That big thing.
And everybody in the pool still camped out. Dive under the water and died.
Rapid fire. Everyone in attendance?
Yeah, go.
Where is everyone?
We're all hiding
I'm
in
over
pieces.
here. You're good.
Handsies.
I'm just ready to take cover in case it falls over. It's stable, right? Hey, no.
It felt pretty stable.
Yeah, it felt pretty stable.
Run!
Why? Until 110 come out of Woo! That's good. Good now!
Round 2. Oh, is that it?
Really?
So yeah, I just got it home a little bit ago and just started editing in the video clips you just saw. Now there was a lot more clips that I had recorded, and there was like a few extra ones I wanted to add in, but I didn't want to like make the video like super long. So yeah. I hope everyone had a wonderful 4th of July, and I hope you had fun watching fireworks or playing with the fireworks or whatever you did to celebrate it. I know I did. It was a lot of fun. And yeah. And I hope you enjoyed this video. So yeah, if you did, go ahead and leave a like and a comment. If you haven't already, you can subscribe. And until next time, I will see you guys later. Goodbye.